Hi guys and welcome back, or if you're new here, welcome. I hope you guys are doing well. So today we are shopping at Victoria's Secret outlet. I was there over the weekend and they have some amazing body care for super affordable, so I thought I would show you guys everything. This is gifting season and you can find some amazing items for extremely affordable at Victoria's Secret outlet. I hope you find one near you. I have this outlet inside of an outlet mall. I live here in Atlanta. I will pin the location. But before we get into this video, I quickly wanted to update you guys on quality on this bag right here. I'll show you this with the back camera so that you could see everything better. This bag is from brand Colestore. They sent me this bag back in 2023. So they reached out to me again and asked me if I could update my followers on the quality on this purse. So here is the purse, you guys, with the flashlight on so that you could see the stitching and the leather on this bag. I have used it a lot. The stains you see is from sunscreen and makeup, but you can see the leather is amazing quality on this purse. I have not tried much from them, but this bag is amazing. I would definitely recommend you, and still you can see it's in perfect condition. I'm going to link them down below. Also, I will link my video down below where I have first time unboxed this bag, because the packaging was also really very nice on this purse. I have never owned any replica bag before, so I didn't know what to expect, but I really think it doesn't matter if you want to give them a try, because everything is so pricey now, and if you cannot justify the price tags on designer bags, definitely you can try them. They also sent me these sunglasses which you're seeing right now. These also are great quality. Honestly, I have not used them yet, but as you can see, they look fantastic and very nice quality sunglasses. And I like the color combination purple and black, and I like the frame as well. It's so trendy, and they are very finely made. I'm going to link them down below in case you want to check them out, and you can also save 25% as well on their website if you use my code. Anyways, you guys, for now let's begin with today's Victoria's Secret outlet tour. So first off, I found this beautiful display there. So I found this pretty set for Victoria's Secret Bombshell Glamour. In this one you get perfume, also fragrance perfume, and comes with fragrance body lotion for $42.99. They also had this full size of Fearless perfume as well for $20. Originally it goes for $59. Then they had this beautiful set there as well for their very sexy night. In this set you get, looks like 5 different products, comes with fine fragrance mist, also a fine fragrance wash, and a matching lotion, and full size of fragrance spray, and little mini size as well. And this set was going for $64. I was in love with the packaging. Then they also had this one as well for 64. This is for Bombshell. So in here you're getting body lotion, fragrance mist, 2 different sizes of fragrances, and also comes with shower gel as well. And here is the outer box for this set, so beautiful. Then I also found these there as well, Victoria's Secret teas. In this one you get little cute size of perfume, and also comes with perfume body lotion. There is no price ticket on that one, but they also had a bunch of these Bombshell fine fragrance lotions, mini sizes for $6.99. Then also they had a bunch of these sets there as well. You get pomegranate and lotus, also coconut milk and rose, lavender and vanilla, cucumber and green tea hand creams. Was going for $12.99 each. They had a bunch of these at this store. I also found these sets there as well. In this one you get fragrance body lotion, love spell, and comes with fragranced mist as well for only $7 each. Then this set was also really nice. In this one you get pomegranate and lotus moisturizing body cream, matching scrub, also body lotion, and comes with fragrance mist as well. And this set was going for $20. Then they had this little section there for $5.99 each, fragrance mist. In this one I found this whispering waves, also sugar blur, and then this almond blossom and oat milk, and shimmering shores, and also this lush orchard amber. And they also had this one there as well, bubbly warm and cozy for pink. And then for 3.99 they had all of these body lotions there: bright mariposa apricot, also pure seduction cashmere, vibrant breeze, and then also this nectar drip. They had really good selection. Also Santal Nightfall, and then this Sunshine Haze. And then for pink, they had a bunch of these exfoliating body wash there as well. These were also for 3.99 each. They had a tons of those. Also this Sugar Plum Fig body lotion was there, and this Enchanted Peony. And also in this section they had this comforting body wash, vanilla bean extract, and also more of these exfoliating body wash. Then they also had this one as well, flower sorbet. Everything here you see was for 3.99. Then also for 3.99 they had this one there, petal gloss, also aquatic allure, and then these aloe water and hibiscus scrubs was there, full sizes, for only 3.99. They also had this lip set there. You get lip mask, minty shine lip gloss, smooth scrub, and also lip glow as well, which is conditioning lip oil. They had a bunch of these in stock, and those were going for 11.99. I also found this winter bliss set there. In this one you get nourishing body lotion, also glow boosting body lotion, and also comes with little lip gloss. This set was there for $10. They had a bunch of those. Then I found this little section for perfumes. So this perfume is for $20, very sexy C. They had a bunch of those in stock. Then these were for 25 each. In here I found this one right here, wildflower bombshell. Also they had this rose hardcore one, and a bunch of teas which are really nice. And also they had this teas heartbreaker as well. Those were for 25. Then this New York as well. And for pink they had these sets in stock as well. In this one you get sweet apple fresh and clean body lotion and fragrance mist, and comes with this little sleep mask as well. There was no price ticket on those, but they had these mini sizes of very sexy sea fragrance mist, which those were going for only $2.99 each. Originally those were for 15. Then I found this little candle section, which was so exciting. They had this pink sparkle berry, also warm vanilla, a bunch of those for 5 each. Great price. And this coconut milk and rose exfoliating face scrub was there for $6.99. I also found these $2.99 each lip products. So in here I found these Shine Plumper Extreme Lip Plumper, also Radiant Color Shine Lip Gloss, which is right here. This is the lip plumper. $2.99 is great for this. Also they had these super cute looking lip balms. Originally goes for $14. They had it there for only $2.99 each. They had a couple of different flavors for these balms. I also found these bins full of slippers as well. So these were going for $4.99. Here you can see the price tags. They had a few different sizes to choose from, and also few different colors. They had the color white, also black, and this nude one as well. And for $9.99 they had these hair care items there as well. So they had this aloe water and hibiscus shampoo, also matching conditioner as well. They also had Victoria's Secret Him Deep Water Body Lotion there, which was going for $6.99. Also, I found Period Panty there as well in a lot of different sizes for $4.99 each. They also have a few different colors to choose from as well if you guys are interested. They also had pink socks as well. These are so soft and good quality socks for $4.99. And for only $5.99 they had these sweatshirts there as well in 3 different colors to choose from. So they had this super cute nude color. Originally these were for $54, which is crazy. Also they had this off-white color, and then also this blue one as well. They had tons of these in a lot of different sizes to choose from. I also found these pink slippers for $9.99 each. They had a few different styles to choose from in these bins in a couple of different sizes. So that be all for today. I hope you enjoyed watching this one. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon, and bye bye.